Bil-fors miraklu biex illum jien u Ibni qegħdin hawnhekk, miraklu żgur biex ommi, anzjana ta' 77 sena bi problemi f'nifsha, salvat u għadha ħajja. Kliem Lindsey Smith, bint l-anzjana Skoċċiża li spiċċat b'ta' fuqha senduqa wara l-blokka ta' appartamenti li kienet triqda fiha iġġarfet kmien is-sibt filgħodu fil-Mellieħa. Lindsey kienet qed tgħix fl-appartament m'omma hekk kif l-aħħar jiem kienet talbtala f'Malta ma' bina ta' 5 snin. Hija qalet li l-binja ċediet nofsija wara li flimkien ma' bina ħarġet mill-appartament t'omma biex jaqbdu titjira lejn ir-Renju Unit.
We literally missed the collapse of the building by 30 minutes. So if we were 30 minutes later, if I'd overslept, anything like that, we were packing stuff in the living room, so we would not be here. My son and I would be dead if we had left any later.
U dim it-tifrik li fadal minn dak li kien l-appartament fejn għexu omma u missiera għal 6 snin, Smith spjegat li s-sibt kienet ma' bina fl-ajruplan biċ-ċinturin ta' sigurtà maqful lesti biex itiru, meta fid-daqgħu il-ħin marru fuqha żewġ membri tal-ekwipaġġ u qalba ħebrita li kien ġara xi ħaġa lill-omma.
I was walking down the aisle and I suddenly came to the realisation that there must be something wrong with my mother. I actually thought that she had been unwell and maybe died in her sleep because she has breathing problems. So I panicked, and when I got to the front they said there's been an accident, your mother's house has collapsed, she's okay but she is in hospital being treated for shock.
Taħċok qawwi f'mument meta Ajla femet qed jiġri madwara, il-pulizija niżlu lilha u lil-bina minn fuq l-ajruplan, ġabrulhom il-bagalji u saquhom l-isptar Mater Dei ħdejn omma li ġarbet biss ġrieħ ħfief. Smith ta' tħajl il-Ministru Michael Farrugia li kien ta' spalla f'dan il-moment diffiċli.
I met with Michael Farrugia on Monday afternoon. He's been incredibly helpful. His office have been supporting us. We got our ID, well, we got my mother's ID card sorted out yesterday within an hour, which I understand is unheard of in Malta. So we're incredibly grateful for that support.
Smith ta' tħajru koll il-kuntrattur li għamel kuntatt magħha biex isibilha post għall-omma.
I just had a phone call earlier before you came from the contractor who is looking for accommodation for my mother. So people are trying in this situation.
Fil-waqt li ringrazzjat lil kull minn għenhom, qalet li temmen li omma, u bina kellhom lill-anġli jipproteġuhom.
Unfortunately, my mother has nothing, but she's alive. And that to me is the epitome of the protection of God over those who love him.
Idħol fuq one.com.mt u hemmhekk tista' tara l-programmi kollha li jxandru fuq One permezz ta' One Play.